Hey guys, it's Curry Gaming and welcome back to another video. And today I went to another Blaine's Farm and Fleet today, and I managed to find three more Monster Jam trucks from Mix 5 Spin Master Monster Jam. The trucks that I got today, this time I got well, before that, if you want to go see the Gravedigger the Legend unboxing, go check it out. It's up on YouTube, so if you want to see the unboxing of Gravedigger the Legend, go check it out. And of course, you already know I got the Inverse Trucks Higher Education from that birthday haul video yesterday. So the trucks that I got this time were Overcast Blue Thunder, Stinger Unleashed, and the Nomad World Finals Avenger. Man, that's awesome. Alright, so we are going to start with the Overcast Blue Thunder. Here's the figure it comes with, representing Matt Cody. And of course here's the truck. So this one is a little different from the original Blue Thunder. So it's got gray rims, the Overcast black paint job. This is probably my favorite Overcast because I really like the Blue Thunder outline on the lightning bolts, and then especially the outline on the Blue Thunder logo. That's really cool. Then on the front, it's got MonsterJam.com and the Ford F-150 inspired headlights, if it'll focus. There we go. Then on the top, we got more blue outlines of the lightning and electricity, and of course the Blue Thunder logo. Then the other side, Feel the Energy, black taillights, blue outline for Feel the Energy. Very cool. So that's the Blue Thunder Overcast. And then we're going to unbox Stinger Unleashed. Here's the truck, and then here is the figure that it comes with, probably representing Zanra 2. Alright, here is Stinger Unleashed. Very awesome truck. It's got black rims and a nice silver roll cage. I think they could have done like maybe a blue beadlock outline, but that's okay. Still looks cool anyway. On the front, it's all blue painted in there. And then on the top, it's got the Scorpion, and it says Stinger Unleashed. Then it says Stinger Unleashed again with the Scorpion, and then it says Wayne's Towing, and then something on the top there. I have no idea what it says. It's like 717 Wayne's, I think. I don't know. And then there's the beds of the pickup. On the side, you got some green and blue. You got the Monster Jam logo, the Scorpion. It says Stinger Unleashed. And same thing on this side. Probably one of my favorite trucks of the year. Stinger Unleashed is awesome. I've met Zanra 2 before. Great driver, nice guy, and a huge fan of Stinger Unleashed overall. And then last but not least, probably one of my favorites that I got today, the World Finals Nomad Avenger. Here is Avenger, and here is the figure, Jim Kohler. Man, the Nomad Avenger looks awesome. It's so nice to finally have it in my hands. So on the front, you got the headlights and the little bumper there. The hood is just green with flames. They had to remove the Sam's Town logo due to copyright reasons, I think. But Monster Jam OCD is demanding put on the slot machine without the Sam's Town, but I don't think that's gonna happen. Because I don't think they're gonna bring this Avenger back next year. Because probably next year they're probably gonna make the next World Finals Avenger, which is the red, white, and blue one. But who knows? You got the sponsors on the side: Cone, Lucas Oil. It says Avenger with the flames. You got the long fishtails there. It says Monster Jam. Got the nice chrome orange rims. A little bit of rust. The casting for the Nomad Avenger is kind of heavy, but that's alright. It's nice on the top. You got the open canopy because that's supposed to be the slot where the fuel cell goes, because the fuel cell is always on the back of the Monster Jam trucks in real life. You got the windows. Very awesome truck. Probably one of my favorite World Finals designs overall for the Avenger. It would be cool if they did a red version of the Nomad Avenger in the future. If I see, when I meet Jim Kohler, I'm going to ask him if he'd be willing to do a red Nomad Avenger for a future World Finals design, because I think that'd be awesome. So yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing video of World Finals Nomad Avenger, Stinger Unleashed, and Blue Thunder Overcast. These three trucks will also make their debut in Sign Up Series 16. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and stay tuned for more videos. Alright guys, see you next time.